Good morning, children. Children, how can we manage the waste produced at home? As we discussed that every day waste is produced at home, you must have seen at your place that you have dustbins where you throw the waste material. Every member of your family, they throw their waste there, the kitchen waste, paper waste, any food product waste or packing materials waste, everything is thrown there. Children, we should know how to manage our waste at home. As we discussed that we should follow the 3 R's and manage our waste. In this way, we can do some of the things so that we can manage the waste at home. Produce less of waste. Okay, so we should be careful, we should be vigilant that we are not doing something or going to do something extra so that more and more waste is generated. We should be little careful, we should be little vigilant that we save our resources. As we discussed, we buy that much which we need. Okay, so produce less of waste is very important. More we use, more extra things we use, more waste we generate. Next is dispose waste properly. We should know how to dispose our waste. Maybe we are living in an area where there is a lot of open space around our houses. That doesn't mean we will put the waste in a packet and throw out of the window or out of the door. Never. Some people, those who live in the high-rise building, they feel that I am at the top. Why should I bother if there is waste, if there is garbage on the ground? I am quite residing in a higher place and nothing will harm me. And so from that high-rise building, I throw the waste product from the top. Is this the correct way to do? Never. We know that there are people who collect the waste from our houses. Nowadays, lot of initiative has been taken. Dustbins are kept in different places, in public areas, in those offices, shops, educational institutions, even at home, even on the roads also. There are many places where there are huge dustbins. So we should see that they are not thrown in an open area, and let the management, the people who manage this waste, like this I talked to you about the municipal committees and corporation in the cities and towns, in the villages, panchayat, let them collect the waste. There are people to collect the waste and let it be. But at home, of course, we should see that the waste is thrown in a proper way, not in a very dirty way. The people who are collecting also are human beings. We should not throw the waste in such a way that they are harmed. So it should be in a proper dustbin with covering. We can cover it with a newspaper and throw the waste in a proper way. Children, the next thing is that each waste should be dumped in the correct garbage bin. Have you seen this type of garbage bins? Sometime maybe at home you have seen, or maybe the hospitals you have seen biodegradable waste dustbin, non-biodegradable waste dustbin, even e-waste dustbin. So here sometimes people keep paper waste, plastic waste, glass waste and general waste. So there should be at least two dustbins at your place where you can throw the biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. As you know, biodegradable waste like the kitchen waste, all your vegetables or the fruit peels or the food products or the food which you have not eaten, all those things which you throw can be, dumped in a pit, which we discussed, that composting, and it can be turned into manure, organic manure. So in this way biodegradable waste and plastic and other material, you can keep papers, plastic or wood or aluminium or glass in another dustbin, so that they are segregated, so that the people who are collecting the waste don't have to find out, this very tedious job they segregating. Kitchen or organic waste can be collected in the compost pit, which we discussed that it's a very good way of making the soil fertile and plants to grow. So kitchen waste or organic waste, the food products waste, not the plastic, not the aluminium cans or even glass, not that. Organic waste can be in a one way, keeping it in the pits and let it turn into manure. You know that bacteria will work on it. Yes, it will rot. Bacteria will work on it, microorganisms will work on it, and later on they will turn into the food for the plants and the soil, good quality of soil. So in this way, waste management is very important. We can have this type of dustbins at home, okay, and we can reuse, recycle and reduce waste, and conserve our resources. We should try to conserve our resources by using, there are different materials at home which may be torn or not, we cannot use them. We can make it in another way so that we can reuse instead of throwing and dumping. Okay, reduce. Just see whether alternative things we can do instead of using it and of no use and throwing it. We can reduce producing waste, and in this way we can manage the waste, and our home will be neat and clean, proper, and our environment will be neat and clean. We will save our resources and make our place a healthy place to live.